Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back again with another one. Your boy SS Family here. Today, I'm trying to decide on which suspension kit I want to go with for my '86 Monte Carlo that's been LS swap. So I was going to take you through different kits that three companies have to offer, and maybe you guys can help me out. Comment below and just kind of give me some advice, man. I'm still new to the game. I'm still learning. So we're gonna start with UMI. You can see it's for a '78 through '88 Monte Carlo, and I'm gonna go down here to handling kits. Now, if you're familiar with UMI, you know they got lots to offer when it comes to different kits, different suspension upgrades, and it's about two different kits that caught my eye that I was thinking about getting. It was the Stage 2 kit, this one right here, and the second kit was the Stage 2.5. So I'll stroll down and show you the difference. The main difference in it is that one is comes with the regular springs and shocks, and the Stage 2.5 comes with the Viking coilovers that's double adjustable. So of course you can see this for the 78 through 88 GMG body, Stage 2. And this kit costs $26.18 and 99 cents. It's on sale right now. It's 10% off. They offer two different colors, red and black, depending on how you want it to look. Another thing they offer is the height of the spring. You could get it 1 inch lower or 2 inch lower, depending on how you want it to sit. One thing that confused me was how they don't have a stock spring. Maybe it's something that I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. The main purpose of this kit, just to change your ride, turn it from that cruiser to a modern day muscle car. Because if you know anything about G bodies, they kind of floaty, feel like boats. So I need something that's a little bit more stable, more firm when it comes to the ride, and I'm dealing with more horsepower. So I need something that's going to be a little bit more accurate and precise as I'm driving. Down in the spring notes, I was reading this earlier. It says springs are intended for Chevy small block. Lightweight LS may require additional trimming. So I was thinking, do I have a lightweight LS? Because I do have a 5.3 liter, and not really sure what additional trimming I would have to do to the springs. It might be something that I have to email them or call in about just to get a little clarification. So they saying this kit come with the tubular lower A arms with the polyurethane bushing. It comes with upper A arms with the Durlin bushes. They're 1/2 inch tall, the ball joints. Heavy duty 1 1/4 front sway bar with new bushings and end links. It's got a solid 1 inch heat treated rear sway bar, a tubular rear lower control arm with polyurethane bushing, a tubular rear upper control arm with polyurethane bushing, tubular frame braces with hardware, replacement rear and end housing bushing, front upper and lower grade 8 hardware kit, rear control arm grade 8 hardware kit. Then it comes with 1 inch or 2 inch lowering springs. They say it's 600 pounds in the front and 130 in the rear. Then it comes with the Bilstein shocks. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I never could pronounce it. I just remember I had some on the car before. They yellow and blue, and they real good shocks. I know that for sure. But this is the Stage 2 kit, and like I said, it comes with two different colors, red or black. Haven't made my decision on the color yet. Probably go with red, more than likely. So I'm gonna take you down to the Stage 2.5 kit. Okay, the Stage 2.5 kit, pretty much the same kit as the Stage 2. Only difference is it comes with the Viking coilovers and they double adjustable. Me personally, I don't know shit about no double adjustable coilovers. I don't know nothing about compression and rebound. I wouldn't know how to dial them in perfectly. So whoever installs them for me, if I decided to go with that package, will have to do all the dialing in. And I see it says rear coilover kit, GM axle housing only. Aftermarket axle fitment is not guaranteed. And that could be another issue for me because after a while, I plan on changing my rear end. And I would like everything to bolt back up. But we can figure it out once we get there. If I go with that kit, And I was thinking about, well, what if I got a single adjustable, but UMI doesn't offer a single adjustable? So I had to take a look at QA1. So we on the QA1 homepage right now, and I already got my car in because I was here earlier. It's a 1986 Monte Carlo. We're gonna go down here to the suspension, and we're gonna see what they got to offer with they different kits. So they got us on to the next page, and I'm gonna click full vehicle suspension kits and systems. We not putting this on a classic truck. I don't have a truck. It's a G body. On to the following page, I'm going to click handling suspension kits. I don't need it for drag racing. I don't plan on going to the track. I'm just building a good street car. We're going to start with the performance level 1. Include shocks, yes. So I see with the entry level 1 kit, which is HK21-GMG1. This kit is 1962 and 95 cents, so a little under $2,000 for this one. And I see they starting you off with the coilovers and the sway bar. I'm gonna make the description a little bit bigger so I can read what's going on. I'm trying to figure out how to do that right now. Okay, I see. So this kit comes with the front single adjustable coilovers. Also comes with the same coilovers for the rear single adjustable. It comes with a front sway bar. It comes with the rod adjuster sleeves. It comes with the thrust bearing kit. And it comes with a spanner wrench. And I'm guessing the wrench is probably for, well, it is for you to adjust the height of your springs. So that was the level 1 kit. Let's check out the level 2 kit, see what they had to offer. Yes, we include the shocks. I need them. And the first thing I noticed is that price tag, $4,883.95. So you're looking at close to $5,000. That's a big difference from the level 1 kit to the level 2 kit. Almost about a $3,000 difference between the two kits. This kit offers more. It offers upper and lower control arms for the front. It offers you another sway bar. That's for the rear. The level 1 had the sway bar for the front. This one got box lower trailing arms, adjustable upper trailing arms, adjustable frame braces. Pretty much everything in level 1, just more parts in this level 2, but also a bigger price tag that's gonna hit that wallet, boy. So let's go to the final level, the level 3 suspension kit for the handling, and let's see what they have to offer. First thing you notice, bigger price tag. You're looking at about $7,000 just for this kit alone. So we'll see what this kit has to offer. It's come with the front mod series coilover system and pro touring upper control arms. So I'm guessing that's different control arms, different shocks, different springs. I'm not familiar with this kit. I haven't seen a lot of videos on YouTube with this kit or people who had put it on their car. So I had to do a little bit more intensive research just to find out what this kit is all about. But I'll be 100% honest with you. I'm not going with this kit at all. I'm not spending $7,000 on my suspension right now. It's overkill for me. I'm just trying to build a good street car, and I just need more stability from my suspension. I don't think I have to go this far. So I'm going to take us back to suspension, and I'm going to show you something else that I had my eye on. So back here by suspension, I'm going to go down to where it says shocks, struts, and coilovers. Then we're going to click on stock mount shocks and struts. These are just the regular shocks without the coilovers on them. And we're going to start with the front. And I'm just looking for single adjustables. So you can see the single adjustables, they're 190 a piece and 95 cents. So that'll be 2 of them at 190 and 95 cents. And let's see how much the rear is. I'm pretty sure they're the same price though. Yeah, they're the same price. So basically, if I decided to go with these, it'll be just for the simple fact of how simple they are. You just bolt them in and then you got one knob to deal with for the firmness of the ride. That's it. Well, if you got the double adjustable, you have to mess with the compression and rebound. So you're dealing with 8 different knobs, and I just want to dial in to like one single knob just to adjust the firmness of the ride. Sometimes might want it softer, sometimes might want it a little bit stiffer, based on how I want to ride the car that day. But also coming with that, I have to find out which springs I should get, because you'll be dealing with the traditional springs. You won't be dealing with the coilovers. So I have to figure out the spring length. I have no idea what that could be. Also, the finish, I probably go with the silver finish. And as far as the spring rate, I have to call in to QA1, let them know my whole setup, like what engine I'm dealing with, and I'm pretty sure they could give me an answer on what type of spring to get. So that pretty much sums it up with the QA1. For the last one, we're going to be looking at one more company, BMR Suspension. And BMR, they have kits for the G-body also, 2 different handling kits. And when I was doing my research, it was a little bit harder to find somebody who had did a whole kit with BMR on the G-body. I see a lot of videos with UMI and QA1 parts, but not a lot with BMR. So kind of unsure about them. Now, BMR, they offer 2 different handling performance and packages, and I'm going to click the level 1 just to kind of show you what's in that. So the level 1, it just comes with 4 coil springs, 4 shocks, and 2 sway bars, along with the hardware. You could get it in 2 different colors. The sway bar, that is, you could get it in black, or you could get it in red. And the price for this is like $889, which ain't a bad price. But I was more interested in this level 2 handling kit. And the level 2 kit is $1,999. It kind of puts me in the same mind state of the UMI Stage 2 kit with everything it has to offer. So you could get this kit in 2 different colors. You can go with the red, or you can go with the red and black, depending on whichever one you want. And I like BMR as far as they pricing, but I just haven't seen a lot of reviews on their products, not just on G bodies, on any type of classic car. So if anybody have used their kits before, just let me know in the comments if they're good, and just kind of fill me in, because I won't have a problem using the BMR kit, but I just don't want to buy something just because the price is cheap and then cheat myself in the end because I was trying to be a cheap ass. I got a lot of money that's already wrapped up in my LS swap. I still got to do body work. So I'm trying to be reasonable with the money, but I don't want to be full-fledged cheap and cheat myself. So just let me know in the comments. Can y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel? I appreciate y'all watching this video all the way through. Man, thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.